How to launch a successful laundry detergent fundraiser. How a laundry detergent fundraiser works. A laundry detergent fundraiser is a simple and profitable way for schools and nonprofits to raise money. By selling high-quality detergent at competitive prices, organizations can generate significant revenue while offering supporters a product they already use daily. Why choose laundry detergent fundraising? High demand. Everyone needs laundry detergent, making it an easy sell. Repeat customers. Supporters will likely buy again when they run out. Excellent profit margins. Bulk purchasing and direct sales mean high returns. Setting your fundraising goals. Determine how much money you need to raise. Set a target number of detergent sales per participant. Create a timeline with milestones to track progress. Choosing a reliable supplier. Research suppliers with high-quality detergent at competitive prices. Compare bulk purchase options for better profitability. Ensure timely delivery and secure payment processing. Creating a sales strategy. In-person sales, sell directly to friends, family, and local businesses. Online orders, set up an e-commerce page or use social media. Bulk purchases, encourage businesses or organizations to buy in larger quantities. Marketing your fundraiser. Promote on social media with engaging posts and videos. Distribute flyers in schools, churches, and community centers. Use email campaigns to reach supporters and past customers. Engaging your team and supporters. Assign clear roles to volunteers for smooth operations. Offer prizes or incentives for top sellers. Hold kickoff events to get everyone excited. Managing orders and distribution. Use an order tracking system to stay organized. Ensure secure and easy payment collection. Schedule a convenient distribution day for supporters. Closing the fundraiser and thanking supporters. Send personalized thank you messages to buyers and donors. Recognize top sellers and volunteers. Share results on social media to celebrate success. For more information, contact now.